OpenAI just changed the ChatGPT you use every single day, not some secret model locked away for researchers, the one sitting right in front of you right now. And this update is not about beating some benchmark, it's about ChatGPT finally understanding what you actually mean when you talk to it. So if you've ever typed something into ChatGPT and gotten an answer that was kind of right, but kind of missed the point, this is the update that fixes that. Stick around because by the end of this, you're going to know exactly what changed and why it matters. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the news. OpenAI rolled out an updated version of GPT-5.5 instance on June 24th, 2026. And GPT-5.5 instance is not some niche model, it's the default. It's the one that loads up the second you open ChatGPT and start typing. So when OpenAI upgrades this one, it touches almost everybody using the platform. This isn't a flashy new frontier model with a new name, it's the everyday model getting better at everyday tasks. And that matters more than people realize because this is the model most of the world is actually using to get work done. Now, here's what's actually interesting about this. AI says the model got better at reading intent, meaning what you actually mean, not just what you literally typed. So say you type, give me a video idea about it. The old version throws back a generic list anyone could have gotten. But your real intent was deeper than that. You wanted an idea that fits your specific audience, hooks beginners, and pushes people toward your offer. The new model is built to pick up on that hidden goal instead of just the surface request. So instead of a flat generic list, you get angles that actually make sense for what you're building. And look, if you're someone who uses AI to run your content like I do, that's a massive time saver. You stop spending an hour brainstorming and tossing half of it. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Here's the next piece, and this is the one I think matters most. OpenAI improved how the model handles constraints, basically your rules. You can give it a stack of conditions all at once. Match this tone, hit these points, avoid sounding salesy, keep it simple. And here's where older models used to fall apart. You'd give it 5 rules and it would forget one, or it would drift back into some generic tone halfway through. OpenAI says this version holds on to all of those rules at the same time, consistently. So if that holds up in practice, that's a real shift. Because the biggest reason people stop trusting AI output is that it forgets what you told it 30 seconds ago. Now, think about every time you've asked ChatGPT for something, didn't love it, and tried to correct it. Too long, make it punchier. That's weak, give me something sharper. In the past, the model would basically repeat the same answer in a slightly different outfit, same structure, same ideas, just reworded. OpenAI says this update actually adapts when you push back, not just rephrase, but genuinely reshape the response based on your feedback. So if you say, this feels cold, make it warmer, it's supposed to rebuild the whole thing around that note instead of swapping one or two words. If that's true, that's the difference between spending your whole morning going back and forth with it and just getting it right in 2 or 3 tries. And the last piece OpenAI is pointing to is tone. They're saying responses should feel more natural now, less of that stiff copy-paste structure where every answer reads the same way no matter what you asked, more like a person actually wrote it. And honestly, this is the one that's been the real problem with AI content for the last couple years. People can tell when something was written by AI, it's got this flat robotic rhythm to it. So if this update genuinely closes that gap, that changes a lot for anyone using AI to write at scale because the content stops sounding mass-produced. But let me keep it straight with you because I always will. This is not GPT 5.6. This is not some brand new frontier model. This is an update to the model you're already using every day. And OpenAI themselves are not claiming it's flawless at everything. They're saying it's more useful and more cohesive, not perfect. So don't go in expecting magic, go in expecting an upgrade. And here's who's actually getting it. OpenAI says the rollout started with paid subscribers first on June 24th, with free users getting it shortly after. So if ChatGPT has felt a little sharper, a little more natural the last few days, this is probably why. And here's the thing that matters most out of all of this. The most used AI model isn't always the one winning on some benchmark chart. It's the one your team or you personally are opening every single day to actually get work done. And that's GPT 5.5 instance. So the real question isn't whether it tops some leaderboard, it's whether you're actually using it to its full potential. Understanding intent, holding your rules, adapting when you push back, sounding more human. Stack all of that together, and that's not a small update. That's a tool that just got a lot more useful for anyone building something online. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.